In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a credit card from Samsung Wallet. First, open Samsung Wallet on your device. You can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on it, the wallet interface will load, displaying your stored cards and payment options. This is the central hub for managing your payment methods. Seeing all your cards in one place makes it easy to keep track of your finances. Opening the app is the first step towards ensuring your payment information is current and secure. Next, tap on the option labeled All. This button is typically located at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap it, your wallet will display all available features, including payment cards, loyalty cards, and more. This section is designed for easy navigation. By selecting All, you can quickly locate the payment cards you want to manage. This streamlined navigation saves you time and helps you find what you need without unnecessary fuss. Now tap on Payment Cards. This option is crucial as it directs you specifically to the section where your credit and debit cards are stored. Once you select Payment Cards, you will see a list of all the cards linked to your Samsung Wallet. This visual representation makes it easy to identify which card you want to remove. Having all your payment cards listed in one area allows for quick management of your financial tools. Next, select the credit card you want to remove. As you tap on a card, you will notice it highlights or expands, indicating that it is selected. This step is important because it ensures you are removing the correct card. Mistakes in this area could lead to confusion later. Choosing the right card is essential for maintaining an organized wallet. Once you have selected the card, tap on the three vertical dots, which represent More Options. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Tapping it will reveal a drop-down menu with additional actions you can take for the selected card. This functionality is designed to give you more control over your cards. Accessing more options is the key to managing your card settings effectively. From that menu, tap on Delete Card. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog, asking you to confirm your decision to remove the card. Confirming this action is vital to ensure you do not accidentally delete a card you still want to keep. This little step saves you from potential mistakes and keeps your wallet organized. Remember, removing the card from Samsung Wallet does not cancel your physical credit card or bank account. This is an important distinction because it helps you understand that your financial account remains active even when its digital representation is removed. If you use Samsung Wallet on multiple devices, it's also important to note that you'll need to remove the card from each device separately. This ensures that your payment information is consistent across all platforms. With that completed, you can now manage your Samsung Wallet with ease. Removing outdated or unused cards keeps your wallet secure and organized. You've taken an important step toward maintaining your financial information effectively. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.